Sandy,
Okay, yes.
okay, let's talk about a few things. Is watercolor difficult?
Not really. More difficult than oil.
Okay,
I
okay.
definitely
So
know that.
so the medium that you've chosen is difficult.
Yeah. More difficult, yeah.
All right. So, um, what difficulty are you having with watercolor?
I don't know, just getting all the colors as close as they could be to what is in the picture here.
Okay.
You know, I mean, there's a lot of different colors in this thing. You know what I mean? There's gold, there's gray, there's blue, black.
The difficulty is that you have a photograph and you're trying to paint it
Yeah,
as
right.
a photograph.
Yeah.
All right, look at the photograph.
Yeah.
And the areas that you're having a difficulty with, whether it's color or anything else, right?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it as a painting, a watercolor painting. Okay. What would a watercolor painting look like with this photo? I would love to sit there and talk to you about how to correct this.
Okay, great, you do that. Yeah.
So let's talk about all the good things that you have going on. See all these changes here?
Uh-huh.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Simplify. Simplify, first of all, means to delete or take away all these fine details and create the simpler version of it.
Okay.
So let's do that.
Okay.
The first thing that I want to do is within this area is to make that gray. So right now I'm making the gray. Really, okay, we're going to actually leave this tree as a bare tree. You shouldn't put, yeah, so we're going to take all this out. Okay. Take this, right, and just okay, so we decided to take away the sky,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and now we're emphasizing on the tree as being just a bare tree without any leaves on there. I think that will
That looks much better.
That looks so much better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stick your finger in the wrong color thing, it's always bright.
Looks much better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think so too because
Yeah, it can be yellow.
Well, it looks like a tree.
Yeah. That
And
looks
that
much
like
better.
Totally better.
Good. So leave the tree alone. You're
Okay.
actually you could be done with the tree.
Okay.
Let's work on other areas that we talked about.